Starter strip in place, all siding ready, super corners on. Gotta get that J channel on around that door, getting ready to do the super corner right here on the wall. For there. Tyvek tape everywhere as needed, as supposed to. That house is gonna be super tight, as it should be. The pro you need to know at Edinger & Son Construction. Miracles of Science, Tyvek. DuPont, the pro you need to know. Tyvek tape everywhere as it should be. The pro you need to know, and Tyvek and me. If you didn't know, this is the miracles of science, and everything is done proper as it should be. All receptacles and lights and windows are taped. Everything. I put a light out and a receptacle out for the deck to overlook the backyard and the grill area. There never was one. Again, for all your home improvement needs, the pro you need to know, Edinger & Son Construction. No matter what you do, take pride in it. And if you get a house with good bones and you do work precisionally to the best of your ability and everything's pretty accurate, level, and square, it's a good starting point. Everything you see, I've done, including the 160 feet of sidewalk. Still got to come around this side. Edinger & Son Construction, the pro you need to know. As you see, the starter strip is laser line accurate. If you can see it, there's a string line there that rides the top of all of it, with a level line on it. On the other side we have residential house wrap. Take a good look at it. Everything's hung level, correct, and accurate. No holes. When you staple, you got to make sure your staples are accurate and every one of them hit correctly. Right there's a level line right there. This shows you how much she's about. You even see that Tyvek tape running up the corners. What a nice job. Anybody'd be proud. The best quality, affordable prices, the pro you need to know, Edinger & Son Construction. What you have here is quality and perfection at its best. You will see this house is wrapped with commercial Tyvek on the weather sides. Tyvek tape. The J channel is precisionally done. This could be a commercial. Perfection at its best. The pro you need to know. We're going to put this piece of cold foam right up in there. 2 inches thick. Tight. One more bit to push up in there. One more foot will push right up in there, and I'll give you a live demonstration on what this corner is really about. Had to take the downspout and everything off to do this. Talk about solid. That's a super corner. This is insulating the corner. Go like that. Got another foot to push up there. Solid corner. That's all you need to know. Super corner.